I want to be my own boss. I want to start my own business. Hi, I'm Mary and I'm studying advertising and marketing communications. Coming from India, it was mostly like everything was like you need to read your books and everything was theoretical. So after coming here and it's like everything is like hands-on. I have classmates who are like who know nothing like me and classmates who have experience in the related field. So I get to know like, okay, this is what I'm learning and this is what they already know, and we try to share that knowledge with each other. What I like about my program is I get to take risks and try to look at the work from my point of view, trying to get businesses to create a connection with their audience through different means of communications via creative directions. My social media professor, she's amazing and she's so cheery and she inspires me a lot to take more, like to come out more into my space. I am being accepted here for who I am. It doesn't matter what knowledge I have or where I come from, and so I've experienced in the past something that was not great. So I really liked that, and it really touched me, and so it's like it feels like home.